Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today what we're going to be doing is just a couple things because I was really not impressed with my quarter mile times. I feel like something is wrong with the car. If you've seen my last short, my oil was actually just on the tip of the dipstick, so it was really low on oil, so that might have affected the performance, I think. Now I also just noticed I have a huge rip right here. I don't know if that rip was there when I did the draggy times. And I've also noticed this thing is actually pretty hard on gas. So I'm going to go ahead and change the PCV valve and see if not change it. I'm just going to clean it, see if it's stuck. And then, yeah, see if that helps. And also I'm going to check the air filter, make sure that the air filter is not clogged or anything. So let's just go ahead and fix this here. I have one off my parts car. All you need is a 10 mil and extension. And then for the air filter, all you need is that. I was told just to use some brake cleaner to clean the PCV valve, because OEM PCV valve, I called Acura, it's like $130, and then I called like for aftermarket ones are like $80. So I'm just gonna try to clean it, see if that works. If not, then I'll just get a replacement. Oh my god, look at the friggin' battery gunk here. That's crazy. My other TL, when I got it, the screw on the back part here was missing too. This one is missing the screw. So can't see through it. It is, yeah. So we're gonna put the more free-flowing one in. I guess you could call it my first mod. As you can see there, you can see light through this one. It's just off my manual, since I did a custom intake, which I plan on doing to this one also. But I'm just gonna feed this time. I'm not gonna friggin' do something crazy like through the fog light and everything. I'm just gonna feed it from the stock air box. I'll literally just put a cone filter into the stock air box from here, just bloop, and then kind of make like some kind of case or something, just to get that nice intake sound. Let's go ahead and pull this off. It's really stuck on there for some reason. There we go. All right, get this off of here first. This is being stubborn. Hey, here we go. Just switch the clamps over. Perfect, all done. PCV valve is here, right there. So you just got to go ahead and get that 10 mil out. Just under there, just need an extension and 10 mil. And it's not tight at all. Now it's getting tight again. Oh, watch out for that. Hopefully I didn't short anything. You should always unplug your battery when working on your car. So there's your bolt. Oh, this is friggin' nasty. Oh shit, this part almost went in the pit of doom. This is supposed to make some noise. Like, it's completely clogged. Look at that, guys. That is filthy. Anyways, I don't know if that's good enough. Let me know down below. Yeah, I can't remember if it went in front or in back. I'm gonna say in back. Yeah, definitely went in the back. That looks right. Tighten it back up and you're done. Now, I am going to try the Restore and Protect oil. So I'm gonna have to do another oil change. And I'm gonna get some, oh, I freaking did it again. people watching this like, I am not subscribing to this idiot. Keep in mind, guys, I am no mechanic. I just figure it out as I go. So, and just watch YouTube videos. There we go. Now that that's done, make sure my oil's topped off. It's a little bit low right now. And then get some new draggy times. And then we're going to throw the lightweight wheels on and then get another draggy time. Then we're going to remove all the seats because it's not practical to remove all the seats, drive around. People want to know what it does full weight. So just lightweight wheels, more practical. Get a time, remove all the seats, get another time. And actually, the sky's looking blue. I might be able to get out tonight and do some draggy pulls. So stay tuned. Lots more to come. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.